Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 8th English grammar second chapter, and that is the correct use of nouns. The possessive case of a noun is used to show ownership or possession. When a noun is singular, the possessive is formed by adding s. We call the apostrophe s, like the boy's book, the teacher's table. When the noun is plural and ends in s, the possessive is formed by adding only an apostrophe s, like boys school, girls school. When the noun is plural but does not end in s, the possessive is formed by adding apostrophe s, like man's glove, children's book. So my dear student, here is the exercise 2.1. First one is express a relationship between each pair of items by using of or the possessive case. For example, arm length, and the answer is arm's length. Second, book cover, and the answer is the cover of the book. First one is boys school, and the correct answer is boys school. In this sentence, we use apostrophe at the end of boys. Second, man clothes, and the correct answer is man's cloth. In this point, we use apostrophe s after the n. Third, an hour walk, an hour's walk. Fourth, a day journey, a day's journey. Fifth, a month's salary, a month's salary. The river depth, depth of the river. Mr. Kapoor car, Mr. Kapoor's car. The tree's leaves, leaves of the tree. This house wall, wall of this house. Student meeting, students meeting. The team victory, the team's victory. The earth's surface, the earth's surface. My dear students, rest of the question you have to do yourself in your notebook. Question number second. 7 of the following sentences are incorrect. Locate the incorrect ones and write them correctly. First, what is the name of this village? This sentence is correct, so there is no need to write again. Second, I stayed at the house of my sister. This sentence is incorrect because sister is belong to the noun, and in the possessive case, we used noun in a singular. The possessive is formed by adding apostrophe s, and the correct answer is I stayed at my sister's house. We write apostrophe s after the sisters in this sentence. Third, the favorite color of Paul is blue, and the correct answer is Paul's favorite color is blue. In this sentence, Paul's refer to a noun, so we use apostrophe s. Fourth, do you like the color of this coat? This statement is right. Fifth, the wall of this house are very thin. This statement is also right. Sixth, when is the birthday of your mother? This statement is wrong, and the correct answer is when is your mother's birthday. 7. The house of my parents is not very big, and the answer is my parents' house is not very big. 8. Write your name at the top of the page. This one is correct. 9. The car stopped at the end of the street. 10. The job of my brother is very interesting, and the correct answer is my brother's job is very interesting. And the rest of the question you have to do yourself. Do this question in your notebook. Exercise 2.2. Before do this question, I want to say open your English grammar book on page number 26 and look at the rules of singular and plural use of nouns. Question. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. Also mention the rule you have used for your correction. First, this cattle is mine, and the correct answer is these cattle are mine. In this statement, we use rule number 5, and rule number 5, some collective nouns through the singular in form always take a plural verb. So we use these. Second, his means is limited, and the answer is his means are limited. We use rule number 3. In rule number 3, nouns are not used in the singular form. They always take a plural verb. So we use are. Third, your scissor is blunt, and the correct answer is your scissor are blunt. In this sentence, we use rule number 4. In rule number 4, some articles have two almost similar parts. They are plural in form and always take a plural verb. So in the scissor, there are two almost similar parts. So we use scissors are blunt. Fourth, this poultry is Sohan's, and the answer is these poultry are Sohan's. We use are because in this statement we use rule number 5 as a collective noun. So we take a plural verb. Question number 5. My trouser is very tight, and the answer is my trouser are very tight. My dear student, in this statement we use rule number 4. In rule number 4 we have a two part of trouser, so we take a plural verb. 6. Please accept my thank, and the answer is please accept my thanks. And in this statement we use rule number 3. In rule number 3, nouns are not used in a singular form. They take a plural verb. 7. She has very long hairs, and the answer is she has very long hair. In this statement we use rule number 1. In rule number 1, nouns are used only in a singular and take a singular verb. 8. I gave her many advices, and the correct answer is I gave her much advice. 9th, politics are dirty game, and the correct answer is politics is a dirty game. In this statement we use rule number 2. In rule number 2, nouns have a plural form, but they are used the singular sense and take a singular verb, like innings, ways, politics, means, someone's, news, mathematics, physics, economics, mums and misses. Next, these news are not true, and the correct answer is this news is not true. In this statement we also use rule number 2. I have many works to do, and the correct answer is I have much work to do. In this statement we use rule number 1. 12. I have 6 dozen pencils, and the correct answer is I have 6 dozen pencils. In this statement we use rule number 6. In rule number 6, a noun when put in the position of an adjective and having a number before it never takes the plural form. Next, he ran a 1500-meter race, and the answer is he ran a 1500-meter race. In this statement we also use rule number 6, which I explained in point number 12. Next, I have broken my spectacle, and the correct answer is I have broken my spectacles. We use rule number 4. In rule number 4, articles have two almost similar parts, so we use a plural verb. 15. The wakes of Shin are that, and the correct answer is the wake of Shin is that. We use rule number 2. 16. These furnitures are for sale, and the correct answer is this furniture is for sale. We use rule number 1. 17. The road is closed for repair, and the correct answer is the road is closed for repairs. In this statement we use rule number 3. Next, physics are a difficult subject, and the answer is physics is a difficult subject. We use rule number 2. In rule number 2, nouns have a plural form, but they are used in the singular sense and take a singular verb. So we write physics, not physics. 19. Bad news spread like wildfire, and the correct answer is bad news spreads like wildfire. In this statement we also use rule number 2. 20. He bought 3 dozen egg, and the correct answer is he bought 3 dozen egg, and we use rule number 6. 21. Ramu has packed my luggage, and the correct answer is Ramu has packed my luggage. In this statement, we use rule number first. 22. These boys did many mischief. And the correct answer is, these boys did much mischief. And in this statement, we use rule number first. 23rd. She sent us many informations. And the answer is, she sent us much information. In this statement, we use rule number first. She has a 3-month-old baby. And the correct answer is, she has a 3-month-old baby. We use rule number 6. 25. My circumstance is not favorable. And the answer is, my circumstances are not favorable. In this statement, we use rule number 3rd. 26. He gave me 10,000 rupees. And the answer is, he gave me 10,000 rupees. We also use rule number 6 in this statement. 27. The people of this area is friendly. And the answer is, the people of this area are friendly. We use rule number 5. Next, the cattle are grazing in the field. And the answer is, the cattle are grazing in the field. We use rule number 5 again. Ramesh gave me a 5 rupees note. And the correct answer is, Ramesh gave me a 5 rupees note. We use rule number 6. 30. Silk thread are exported from India. And the answer is, silk thread is exported from India. We use rule number first. 31. Mathematics are my favorite subject. We use rule number 2nd in this statement. And the answer is, mathematics is my favorite subject. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and listen carefully. There is 40 question in this exercise. So my dear student, you can do only 20 question of this exercise in your notebook. Next, exercise 2.3. First, say which of these nouns are countable and which of them are uncountable. Use each in a sentence of your own. Some of the words could be both countable and uncountable. First, nouns used for things that can be counted are called countable nouns. We can use them in a singular as well as in a plural form. Next, nouns used for things that can't be counted are called uncountable nouns. They usually have no plural and don't take an before them as. First one is air. Air is uncountable. Second, rain. Rain is also uncountable. Class, countable. Truth, uncountable. Music, uncountable. Coffee, uncountable. Ice, uncountable. Hair, uncountable. Book, countable. Sleep, uncountable. Storm, uncountable. Poetry, uncountable. Ink, uncountable. Step, countable. Dress, countable. Artist, countable. Camel, countable. Smoke, uncountable. Sky, uncountable. Shop, countable. Grass, uncountable. Apple, countable. Butter, uncountable. Cheese, uncountable. Sea, uncountable. Soup, uncountable. Glass, uncountable. Poem, countable. Tennis, uncountable. Sunshine, uncountable. Sand, uncountable. News, uncountable. Onion, countable. Corner, countable. Mountain, countable. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Question number 2. Complete this explanation with what or what are. We use what for uncountable nouns and we use what are for countable nouns. First, dash said news and the correct answer is what. We use what because news is uncountable nouns. We can't make news as a plural form. Second, dash lovely girl and the correct answer is what are because this is countable nouns. We count the girl. Third, dash good idea and the answer is what are. Fourth, dash sweet song and the answer is what are. Fifth, dash silly mistake and the correct answer is what are because this is a countable noun. We count the mistake. Sixth, dash fine weather and the answer is what because this is uncountable noun. Dash hard exercise and the answer is what are. We count the exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 8. Dash beautiful horse. And the answer is what? Next, dash lovely sunshine. And the correct answer is what? 10. Dash lovely eyes she has. And the answer is what? Next, dash a player your friend is. And the correct answer is what? Next, dash clever boys they are. And the correct answer is what? Do this question in your book, my dear student. That's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. And let me recall you again. In exercise 2.2 question number first, you have 40 question. But you can do only 20 question in your notebook. I hope you all done it very well. Thank you.